When do we know it's recording?
Well, it's recording the whole time.
Right now? All right, go for it. All right, hey guys, how's it going? JSNcryptotalk here. Today we're going to be covering...
You got it.
Bittrex.
Bittrex, an exchange where you can deposit your Bitcoin and trade altcoins. So altcoins are anything but Bitcoin, right?
Alternate coins.
Alternative currencies.
And don't mind this. This is a Lebanese hookah, and
There is no marijuana inside of this device. It is primarily nicotine and tobacco based.
And you've been babysitting that, so you can pass it over whenever you're ready. But Justin, talk about Bittrex. What can you do on it? How does it work? Why should people put their Bitcoin in here and start trading?
Well, Bittrex is pretty much just a network where, unlike Coinbase, which has Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, this has more coins. I mean, it has a bunch of the altcoins, like 200-300 at a time, usually the more popular ones, and you pretty much just go on there and you can do day trading where you can buy stuff low, sell it high, take your profits, move around non-stop. You can do the long-term stuff where you just buy something that you feel that you believe in, a project you believe in, a coin you believe in, and just ride it out. Just do a long-term hold and just take the profits weeks from now, months from now, years from now, and do it that way. But it's basically just a platform where new coins hit all the time, the old ones stick around, and you can make a lot of money doing it.
So what's one coin that you can say that you have profited on or see long-term potential in? I guess I pulled up one of them that you really like, which is metal, right?
Oh yeah, no, I really like metal. It just has this pay system that I'm really maybe biased towards, but I mean, I really like it. It's been doing pretty well lately. Last few days it went from like 4 to 6 something. I also am waiting on the Lisk rebrand that I'm going to dump pretty much all my money into come what is that, February 18th, I believe?
Right.
Yeah, February 20th, something like that. I think it's February 20th.
Yeah.
It's going to do a rebranding, and if you guys have seen Neo, when AntShares rebranded into Neo, it's basically when it essentially changes the whole look, and it just made it skyrocket. I mean, Neo went from like $8 to $52 in a matter of days, and hoping List does something similar to that, so I'm going to play it out and see what happens. But, it's all a gamble. Nothing's ever a guarantee, so it's definitely,
We're not accountants, not financial advisors. Again, we just like to put that disclaimer on there. But most of the stuff that we're talking about from experience and that we've done. So we're taking a risk as well. But, it's fun to invest in this stuff and look at the long-term potential. But Bittrex is a great exchange platform. It's solid. It's very up to par with everything. Most of the coins are on there. Sometimes you have to go to like Binance for some other ones, some newer coins that have just came out. But your Litecoin, your Ethereum, the more popular ones that you guys hear about are on there, and they have their own exchanges as well. So Ethereum has its own exchange market. So if you just are holding Ethereum or Litecoin and you want to transfer it over to Bittrex, you can do that as well. You can see your wallet on there, everything that you're holding, and Justin and I and Syed have been talking about this the last couple weeks about setting limits to sell at. So if your coin increases by X amount or decreases by X amount, you can set a limit on there to sell it at that. So if you have a job like most of us do and you're out and about and you just want to make sure, okay, if I leave the house and it drops by 30%, I want to sell all my coins or half of them.
Yeah, auto buy or auto sell. So it works both ways. So you can auto buy at a certain price point you want to get in low, or you could auto sell at a certain price to where when you're happy with your profits, it'll auto sell for you. And it's kind of cool that it just dumps that for you. And how you do that is you pretty much just go down here and you click on the conditional. So for example, this is the sell. You would click, conditional, and it would go, you'd click greater, you'd sell, you're wanting to sell greater than or equal to. So if it got to a certain amount, you put in the Satoshis there and you get in put the amount. So when it hits that certain amount, say right now it's at 688, you wanted to sell when it's at 788, you put the Satoshis that make it 788. You got to do the math there. I can't do it off the top of my head, but you put that in there, and when it will automatically sell when it gets 788 or greater. And so that if it dips later when you're not around, you're not missing those profits. So that
Right.
you could later go here and you could then set up, and this is again available on any coin. You can set up another one, a conditional. You could auto buy, and you can do auto buy on less than or equal to. So say you want to buy this coin back when it's at $5.85. You could put that in here in the Satoshis. Again, do the math. and say it gets down to 585. The second it gets to 585 or less, it's going to auto buy and it's going to pick up your shares. So it's kind of a cool way if you're not around all day to, you know, manage it, you know, so yeah.
Yeah, guys, I mean, this is a great way to double your Bitcoin, honestly. Let's say you bought some Bitcoin on Coinbase, right? Let's say you buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin on Coinbase and you want to trade and try to double that or make even more. You can deposit that right into your Bittrex account. You'll see it show up here. That's how much I got, but you can just easily click this plus sign and then use this address. This is where you're going to send your Bitcoin. Then it's going to show up in your wallet, and then you can buy various coins like metal, like I showed here. I have right now what, 400 metal, let's say, 41 available, and then I have basically 200 that's going to auto sell once it gets to a certain price. And this is how I've earned over, I would say $2,000. I've probably lost about that same much trading and buying and selling various coins. So do some research on this exchange. I mean, this is probably the easiest one, most user friendly.
Yeah.
There's hundreds of exchanges, and there's exchanges all over the world that
This one's reputable.
very reputable.
Yeah. We all use this one.
Yeah, it's fun, guys. I mean, if you don't have anything to do on a weekend, come over here and do some trading with some different altcoins, buy, sell, and then try to just come up with a whole other Bitcoin.
It's the best way to learn, you know. It's the best way to learn, trial and error. You know, we're new to this. We're all 4 months or less into this. So, I mean, we've learned a lot in those 4 months or less, and hopefully as time goes, we become experts in this field. That's kind of the goal. So we want to grow with this channel and just become more knowledgeable and be able to share that with you guys, and we're open to take in any of your guys' insight and talk about whatever you guys want to talk about. And yeah,
we're new like you, so make sure you do your research. Don't invest anything that you're not able to lose, honestly. If you're putting your hard-earned money into this and if you lose it and it's like, you know, that's it, we'd probably advise you not to do that, but hey, it's your money, do what you want with it.
Yep, you can even give it all to us if you don't know what to do.
But that's just a quick little recap on this Bittrex exchange. There's, again, a lot of them. Do some trading and have some fun with it. That's it.
That's right, y'all.
all right, you guys.
JSN Crypto out.
Talk.